What's going on, guys? It's me, Kid Hero Brian here, and I am here with a brand new series. Today, this was going to be tomorrow, but my arc was bugging out, so we're going to be doing arc bossing it up either tomorrow or the day after that, I promise. But welcome, guys, to the new series of Subnautica. This game recently came out on the Xbox One, and that's why I wanted to do a series on it. Because I'm all about all these games like Ark and this thing, and friggin' Subnautica and Astroneer, because I would like to do that too. Call of Duty, all those games. That's what I do for the channel. So leave a like down below if you guys want this to be a series. If you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button. Boy, come back here. I want your yes, I got a bladderfish. Come here, boomeranger. Yay! You guys can live free for now. So this game is pretty much kind of like Ark. Or you could say it's like Minecraft underwater. We had to collect materials, survive, make tools and weapons, make a house, and all that jazz. We can get cool submarines. Thank you. All quartz. If you guys do have an Xbox One, you guys can search this up on the game store. It'll be there. It's pretty nice.
Continued degradation of the Aurora's dry core may cause a quantum declination. Calculating risk assessment. Death by malnourishment, 7%. By physical injury, 11%. By exposure,
Okay, so this would be
radioactive crash,
cool.
19%.
Yeah.
If the drive core is breached, probability of death increases to 65%.
Jesus.
Emergency. 10 seconds of oxygen remaining.
20? Did she just say 20 or 30? I don't know what she just said. Nice. And I'm in here. Okay. So fabricator. Be really nice. Basic. Metal salvage. Well, titanium. It needs metal salvage to make. Okay. The glass. Advanced materials. Synthetic fibers. If you guys do know, let me down below. If you guys have played this, how to get fiber mesh, because I do have another one of these worlds, and I don't know how to get fiber mesh because I never look up. I don't really want to look up most things. Okay. How much to make a knife or a knife? Oh, I can make a freaking tank. That's good. There, now I can breathe longer. Tools. What do I need for silicone rubber? And what do I need for silicone rubber? Silicone, creep vine, seed clusters. Oh dear Lord. Oh, sick. A first aid kit. Just in case I get low. Okay, creep vine, creep vine, creep a vine. Huh. I need to be careful around here, because there are shark-looking things called stalkers, and they will murder my face. Okay, I'm looking for a creepvine forest, and there's one right over here. Let it load in. Can we get yeah? Okay, I'm looking for clusters. I need a knife now. Because if I don't get one, I'm probably going to die. So, just get a breath of oxygen. Let's go. There's some right over there. I'm sorry if the video is dark, guys. It's a creep vine forest and it's pretty dark out here. Get the freaking. It's scary out here too. Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! That it? Go! 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 It's getting nighttime, guys. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Nighttime is not the right time. Oh jeez. Help me, God, please. I'm sorry, guys. It's very dark. Hopefully, you guys have very good brightness on your laptop or computer or whatever you're watching this on, because you guys can't see a thing as I can see.
Readings exhibit characteristics consistent with total degradation of the aurora's dark matter drive core. A quantum detonation will occur with a probability of 85.5%. Advise observing a 1 kilometer safety range.
Okay. Come in. Come in. Okay, I'm good. Whew. Oh, silicone rubber. Silicone rubber. Okay. Now if I go to equipment, tools, there's survival knife, or kniffy as I like to call it. Oh, sick, man. Whew. Cool. I can turn this into a diamond edged knife if I find diamonds, and or I can change this into a heated blade. I'm gonna transfer over this, not like that. Transfer over my silicone rubber. Filtered water, flares. Watch, test one of these out. Cool. That's pretty cool. Just it makes a light source down in the water. And nighttime is not the right time. Holy shit! Look at that freaking moon. It's like a freaking blood moon up in here. I'm getting back in my pod. Screw that shit. Okay, let me see if there's anything else I can make. Deploy a waterproof locker, current, a generator, a beacon. I need copper wiring, which if I'm correct, I need copper. And that's really it, copper wiring. Where is it? Copper, yeah, I need 2 copper ore. Make copper wiring. That would be really bad to have, so, like, when I make a base, I would need a beacon so I can find the base. Ha!
Quantum detonation has occurred in the aurora's drive core. The central dark matter reactor will reach a supercritical state. 18 minus 10, 9, 8, 7.
You guys can barely see the aurora, but what's going on?
4, 3, 2.
What the hell is this bullshit? What? What? I'm not. Screw this shit. I'm staying in my pod. And on that note, guys, I'm going to have to end the video here. If you guys did enjoy the video, please hit that like button down below. And if you guys are new, press that big red subscribe button down below as well. Please, guys, enjoy what I got for you. Arc Bossing Up coming out in the next 2 days. Promise that. Anyways, guys, without further ado, please like, subscribe, and peace, guys. I'm out.